Welcome on Apna 4G. GP incoming call of code. All of us know that GP incoming call of stop code has been introduced by Grameenphone, and in this article, in this video, I will tell you how you can block incoming calls. We don't want to receive any call many times, that's why GP has launched this service. You just need to dial a code and you will not receive any call furthermore. Just dial *21 *017 hash and turn off call receiving service. This service is free and you can activate it anytime on your SIM. To deactivate this service, dial #21 hash and this service will deactivate automatically. This service is available for all GP subscribers. This service name is GP incoming call off. Activation code of this service is *21 *017 hash, and if you don't want to use this service furthermore, then you can deactivate this service by dialing #21 hash. This service is absolutely free and all GP Grameenphone users can avail this service. On the other hand, Grameenphone also gives the service of block specific numbers. Yes, you can block specific numbers on Grameenphone SIM by using this code. Dial *121 *6 *4 *1 hash, or you can send *CB to 25678 to activate GP call block service. GP call block code is *21 *6 *4 *1 hash. GP call block using SMS. If you want to use this service, call block service using SMS, then you can send CB *CB to 25678 and this service will activate automatically. On the other hand, if you want to deactivate GP call unblock service or unblock the service, then dial *121 *6 *4 *4 hash. It means you just need to replace the second last digit in first. For the activation of this service, you just need to dial *1 hash, and to deactivate the service, you just need to dial *4 hash at the end of this code. And to deactivate this service by using code, you just need to send CB to 25678. We can say that it is call bearing service, and its service is available for all GP SIM users. If you have liked this video, then subscribe our channel Apna 4G, share this video and like this video.